In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Driveclub PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to play Driveclub PlayStation 4, everyone who is going to be playing needs to have a PlayStation Plus membership, so ensure that you have an active PS Plus subscription. Once this is done, you will be able to launch Driveclub on your PlayStation 4, and from the main menu, usually you will find the option related to multiplayer or the option to create a session. So go over to the multiplayer category and you will have various multiplayer modes to choose from, such as races, time trials, challenges, and so on. All that you have to do after you go into the multiplayer category is to join or create a session. So one of you will have to host a session and everyone else is going to be able to join. So choose the option to create a session, customize the session according to your own preferences, and once this is done, you will be able to invite your friends or wait for random people to join if you are playing solo and you just want to do multiplayer. Alternatively, like I said, you can also just join a pre-existing session and you will be immediately connected with other people online. If you are hosting, it is important to have a strong and stable internet connection. And of course, make sure that you are logged into your PlayStation Network account with the PlayStation Plus subscription. You can use a headset if you want to join voice chat to make the game more immersive, although this is optional. And keep in mind that Driveclub does not support split screen multiplayer. What this means is that the only way that you will be able to play together with others is going to be through online multiplayer. You will not be able to connect an additional controller to the same console and do split screen. The game does not feature a two-player mode, but multiplayer is completely included and you will be able to do this easily by creating or joining one session available. I hope I was able to help you on how to play multiplayer in Driveclub PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.